How do I delete or clear my IP address history?
Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be tackling a common question. How do I delete or clear my IP address history? Let's dive into the process, step by step.
What is an IP address history?
Firstly, it's important to understand what we're dealing with. An IP address is a unique string of numbers separated by periods that identifies each computer or device using the Internet Protocol to communicate over a network. Your IP address history refers to a log of all the different IP addresses that your device has connected to the Internet with. However, keep in mind that, generally, your IP address is dynamic and changes over time or when you reconnect to your Internet. This means that clearing your IP address history doesn't usually make sense because this is not a log that is kept in your local machine but rather determined by your Internet Service Provider, ISP, and various online services.
How to change your current IP address?
If you're concerned about your online privacy and want to change your current IP address, follow these steps. 1. Unplug your modem. Most Internet service providers assign dynamic IP addresses to their customers. By simply unplugging your modem for a few minutes, you can often receive a new IP address when you turn it back on. 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, restarting your computer might prompt a new IP address assignment. 3. Contact your ISP. If the previous methods don't work, you may need to contact your ISP and request a new IP address. 4. Use a VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, is a service that allows you to connect to the Internet via a server run by the VPN provider. This hides your real IP address, and you'll appear to have the IP address of the VPN server.
Clearing browser and DNS cache.
If you're looking to delete your browsing history associated with your IP, you should 1. Clear your browsing history. This can usually be found under the Settings or Options menu in your web browser. 2. Clear your DNS cache. On Windows, you can do this by opening your command prompt and typing ipconfig flushdns and pressing Enter. That wraps up our guide on how to delete or clear your IP address history. Remember, while you cannot technically clear your IP history as it's not stored in your local machine, you can still take steps to ensure your online privacy by changing your current IP and clearing your browsing and DNS cache. Stay safe online.